Hello and welcome. Something a little bit different today. It's probably a project that you could do with your children or your grandchildren. I'm using the bubble wrap paper, wrapping. I've used that cup as a template to do a circle, and I've cut several circles out with the scissors, as you see. They're going to be used in my piece of artwork, so it's just cutting these bubble wrap circles out, and I think this would be an excellent project to do with children, as well as grandchildren. So I have my grandchildren coming up to see me in the week, so hopefully I'll do this test with me, and then I'll do it with the children in the week. So I've got several of my bubble wrap circles there, and I will now just coat the canvas with a base coat of paint, and that I'll just pour different colours onto my, it's just a lid I've got that I just it's nice and easy to wash off after I've used it. So first of all I'll just give that a nice even coat of paint.
So that I can focus on anything but you, 'cause all I want is to get some shut-eye, but the thought of you is keeping me awake. I don't know what it is, but it's been like this.
So now I'll get those circles with the bubble wrap, the bubble side up, and I will dip with the bubbles side into the paint. I'm hoping to use them as a kind of stencil, I guess, but I have definitely put too much paint on that one. So lesson learned as you go along, there's definitely too much paint on that one. So I will try and fix that up as I go along. So the whole idea is to use these stencils or little circles as my stencils.
It's been like this ever since we kissed. I don't know what it is,
So I'm currently just using the end of chopstick to just do some embellishments on these little shapes. They've not come out as gorgeous as what I've expected, but you know, I think, like I said, if I had the children with me doing this, they would absolutely love doing something like this. So I'll just see how I can progress this and make it into something pleasant, I'm sure. So yeah, just a little bit of brushwork to try and make it pleasant to look at, and those with that particular brush, easy, just doing like they look like little birds flying in the sky, as you'll see when I turn it around. As I said, a really nice easy project to do with the kiddies. It's definitely a nice, just relaxing little project. And there you go, little flower garden. It's sweet, I like it. It's fun to do something different. Hope you guys liked it too. Let me know if you give it a go, and I will of course endeavour to try and find something else different to show you guys. So until tomorrow, my lovelies, bye for now.